This video is being made for SquareTrade so they can figure out what's wrong with my refrigerator. The original complaint is that this area was leaking water. So it's got a little bit of water there now. It's possible it came off the glass. I don't know, but it was dry a minute ago. I just wanted to be sure that there's no question whether or not there's water going in the refrigerator. So water is clearly supplied to the refrigerator. All right, I'm going to wait for it to drip again, maybe. No more drips. Good. All right, so we'll just take this out. So again, the original complaint was we were getting water dripping in here and then over and down the refrigerator and onto the floor. The service person came and did something, I really don't know what, but now when I open up the refrigerator and the ice maker here, there's nothing in it. And there's nothing in here. There's no water. And I've looked to see, I don't see any switches or anything anywhere to turn the ice maker on. I did not turn it off. So maybe the service person did something, I don't know, but we're no longer getting ice. And then also we're not getting any dripping either. So maybe it was the ice maker that was causing the dripping. And then of course I wanted to go back over here and quickly notice that the ice maker is on. The on is brighter than the off. So the ice maker is on, but the ice maker is not working anymore. Since the service person came out, it really wasn't working very well when he was here either. It wasn't freezing. It was not freezing the ice enough. Okay, so this is a GE 4-door profile refrigerator, and I took a minute to scan that QR code. So it's a GE Profile Energy Star 27.9 cubic foot smart refrigerator, and it's not making ice anymore. The dripping problem that was here is gone, but I want the ice maker working and the dripping problem gone at the same time like it was when we bought the refrigerator. That's about it.